Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about the fool's mate, also known as two-move checkmate. It happens quite often at the beginner level, but it never happens at the elite level. It is one of the ways white can lose the game in just two moves. So let's see how white can lose in just two moves. If white plays the move f4 and after e5, if he plays the horrible move g4, he gets checkmated with the move queen to h4. And now this is checkmate because the king has nowhere to go and both of the white pieces cannot block this check. So this weakness along the h4 e1 diagonal is quite often a decisive factor in fool's mate. Also, black can lose the game in this fashion if after e4 he plays the move f6 and then after d4 if he pushes the pawn g5, then also he has created this weakness along this h5 e8 diagonal, and once again after queen to h5 we would have checkmate. So important thing to remember is that never push your both the kingside pawns. That will often lead to the fool's mate. So now it is another example where fool's mate can happen. After e4, black can also play the move g5 first, and after knight c3, in this position once again it would be a horrible mistake to play the move f5, because once again queen to h5 would be again checkmate. Again black has pushed both of its kingside pawns, which weaken this diagonal towards the king, and also none of the black piece can actually block the check, hence it is a checkmate. Now in this checkmate pattern also I have a test position. So let's quickly look at the game that is just 4 move long. With the black perspective, let's analyze this game. After d4, knight f6, knight d2, e5, d takes e5, black plays the move knight g4, and so far everything is normal and white should develop one of his piece and he would be fine here. But instead of knight f3, he plays the move h3, and now you can pause the video and think from black side, how would you continue here? It is black to play and win. So looks like we are just in the opening and everything is fine. But because of the problem of this h4 e1 diagonal once again and the threat of fool's mate, black can play the move knight to e3. And now you can see we are attacking the white queen. It has nowhere to go. And if white takes this knight, then he is getting checkmated after the move queen to h4. Once again, we have managed to distract one of the white's kingside pawns, and once again we have opened up this diagonal, and queen to h4 would be checkmate after the move g3, queen take g3, it would be checkmate once again. Hence in this position h3 was a blunder, and after knight e3 black will just win the queen because of the threat of the fool's mate, and he will win the game basically. So this is all that you need to know about the fool's mate. Never push your both the kingside pawns early in the game. Thank you.